Now, viewers, as the countdown of Bihar election enters its final stretch, the war of words has escalated. Now, Yogi Adityanath, in a veiled attack, allegedly referred to Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav, and Akhilesh Yadav as Pappu, Tappu, and Appu. He claimed that India coalition brought in 3 monkeys, stating that one of them is Pappu, who cannot speak the truth, Tappu cannot see the truth, and Appu cannot hear the truth. Now, he took the fight a step further by saying that they cannot see the development done by the NDA. Now, in response, Akhilesh Yadav countered with his own terms, Gappu and Chappu, arguing that BJP relies on empty rhetoric during elections and emphasizing the need to save Bihar. Listen in to that attack and counter-attack.
आज इंडी गठबंधन के 3 और बंदर आ गए। ये 3 बंदर पप्पू, टप्पू और अप्पू के नाम पर पप्पू, टप्पू और अप्पू के नाम पर पप्पू सच बोल नहीं सकता, अच्छा बोल नहीं सकता, टप्पू अच्छा देख नहीं सकता और अप्पू सच सुन नहीं सकता।
बीजेपी गप्पुओं का मामला है। बीजेपी में गप्पू है, बोले हम चांद पे प्लॉट दिला देंगे, पर आपको 15 लाख अकाउंट में पहुंचा देंगे, कितने करोड़ नौकरी दे देंगे। ये अमेरिका से ठोकर खाए हुए लोग हैं, अमेरिका इन्हें डरा रहा है, इसलिए चुनाव में इनके नाकामी पर बहस न हो, इसलिए ये इस तरह की डैमेज कर रहे हैं। इस बीजेपी में बड़े बड़े गप्पू हैं और उनके चप्पू हैं हमारे।
Now, viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi too stepped up the attack, accusing the RJD of attempting to shield the misdeeds of the individual responsible for introducing the notorious Jungle Raj in Bihar. Now, Prime Minister highlighted that this by pointing out that his party has one-man image to the fringes of its campaign poster. Though he didn't name anyone, it was evident that he pointed commentary was aimed squarely at RJD chief and former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav. He once again claimed that RJD had snatched the chief ministerial face post at gunpoint from the Congress. Listen in.
आप आरजेडी कांग्रेस के जरा पोस्टरों को देखिए, जो सालों साल तक यहां मुख्यमंत्री रहे, जो बिहार में जंगल राज लाए, उनकी तस्वीरें पोस्टरों में या तो गायब है या तो एक कोने में छोटी सी तस्वीर रखी है, दूरबीन से भी दिखती नहीं है। ये छुपा छुपाई क्यों हो रही है? अरे अपने पिता का नाम बोलने में, छुपाने में शर्म क्यों आ रही है? वो कौन सा पाप है जिसको आरजेडी वालों को बिहार के नौजवानों से छुपाना पड़ रहा है?
And now the RJD has responded to Prime Minister Modi's visit to Bihar by questioning whether he came simply to admire photos of their leader. They made a pointed remark regarding the Prime Minister's focus on Katta, contrasting it with Tejasvi Yadav's commitment to providing job opportunities for the youth. Listen in.
कहाँ उनका फोटो नहीं लगा है? राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष का फोटो कहाँ नहीं मिला उनको? प्रधानमंत्री आए हैं बिहार चुनाव में कि लालू जी का फोटो खोजने आए हैं। लालू जी का अभी तक दिमाग से उन लोग के अंदर से जो फोबिया है ना, जो डर है, जो भय अभी तक एनडीए गठबंधन और प्रधानमंत्री से लेके सभी नेताओं के दिल से निकला नहीं। देखिए, दुर्भाग्य नहीं नहीं है। इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं नौजवानों को कट्टी की बात करते हैं। एक तरफ तेजस्वी रोजगार दे रहे हैं और इस देश का दुर्भाग्य देखिए कैसा प्रधानमंत्री मिला है।
I have my colleague Arunid joining us on the broadcast here. Arunid, NDA versus Mahagathbandhan fight only escalating. Now you have Prime Minister who is saying that Lalu Prasad Yadav has been reduced to thumbnail. And on the other hand, Mahagathbandhan is claiming that NDA is doing quote-unquote hate politics. Take us through the whole counter versus the attack versus the counter-attack going on in Bihar.
Well, a war of narratives and counter narratives have been developing in Bihar. Now, PM Modi has questioned Tejasvi Yadav's leadership, asking that why haven't you put your father's, the former chief minister of Bihar, somebody's legacy you want to continue in, his pictures in your posters. Misa Bharti, the RJD MP and the sister of Tejasvi Yadav, has hit back saying that it seems PM Modi has come to Bihar only to praise the posters of the RJD Neta, that is Tejasvi Yadav. He's been looking in awe of these posters. This is what Misa Bharti has said. And since the start, Tejasvi Yadav has been reiterating that negative talks about Bihar have been made, negative talks related to Jungle Raj have been made by the BJP to basically force the narrative in the minds of the people of Bihar. He also attacked Home Minister Amit Shah and PM Modi, calling them as Bahari, saying that people of Bihar are not going to vote for these Baharis who have come from Gujarat. They put up factories over there. They're going to vote for a Bihari, and I am going to make Bihar as the #1 state in India.
Right.
The BJP clearly has hit back, saying that they're going to make Bihar #1 in Satta culture, in Jungle Raj culture, like your father did.
Right, thank you so much, Aruni, for joining us with all those updates here. So with that, viewers, it's time for a short break here, but don't go anywhere because news and updates